Hello everyone! Working with serological pipettes requires some attention and good skills, but environmental factors and general tips and tricks are often not considered at all. All of these things will have an impact on how efficient, accurate and precise you are pipetting. That's why we created this series about best practices for serological pipetting. What is meant by accuracy and precision? Accuracy refers to how close a dispensed volume is to its specified value and is determined by the design and quality of the instrument and consumables. Precision is a measure of repeatability, the ability to pipette multiple alkoids of a specified volume with the same result each time, and is largely dependent on following best pipetting practices. Serological pipettes are volumetric tools designed for the accurate transfer of liquids in the milliliter range. They are usually calibrated with deionized water to deliver with an accuracy of ±2% at 20 degrees Celsius. This cannot be improved on, even with perfect liquid handling practices. The volume dispensed corresponds to the scale printed on the pipette, with the graduation continuing to the tip end. Pipettes are calibrated to take into account the wetting residue remaining in the instrument, as slightly more liquid is aspirated than dispensed. A blowout is crucial as it ensures all the liquid is delivered. Some liquid will subsequently accumulate in the tip, but that is not part of the dispense volume. It's important to realize that since the calibration or reference temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, any deviation from this temperature will require correction to maintain pipetting accuracy and precision. This means that user must aspirate liquid to slightly above or below the pipette graduation mark to compensate for under or over delivery when pipetting at temperatures other than 20 degrees Celsius. Like and subscribe, hit the bell icon for notification and comment what videos you want to see next.